Hey girl, hey. Jumping right in, we got this 30-inch. Look at that. Look at that length. I'm still running out the very, very last of my Eben products. Don't judge me. It's still bump them. Do not purchase from them. Anyway, back to the video. Make sure that wig glue is white before you lay that wig. Taking the back end of my comb and just pushing down up to the edge of the lace. Got a little spritz on my finger, just going around the edge. Make sure that shit is dry before you put that band on. Got a little hot comb action. That wax stick is going to save your life. You need it. Get it. Trust me. I did not let it dry. That's why it was sticky when I pulled that band off. Next day, because it was 2 a.m. when I finished. She was looking cute fresh out the bonnet. You know, a little shake, a little shimmy. Back in with the hot comb. I like that part to be straight. One more again, go back in with that spritz, let it dry, put a band on her. Let it sit, let it simmer. This Mr. bottle, y'all, I love it. You can pump it twice and it'll spray for 30 seconds. Get your favorite mousse, go ahead, scrunch it up. I like to brush through the ends of my hair just to give that extra loop. And here we are. Girlies detangled and moisturized. Take that band off. Oh. Clean it up just a little bit on the sides. Get that makeup on the lace. What lace? Girl, it's giving. Is that your natural hair? Is that your natural hair? I love this wig so much, y'all. It's one of my favorites. I bought it for my birthday this year. It's just absolutely perfect. HD lace, everything. All right, bye.